After we said our goodbyes to Wangfenglin, Malinghe Canyon, Shuangrufeng, and enjoyed meals at Libo Old Town, we continued to drive east towards our next location. Tang'An Dong Zhai is a special place for us because it allowed us to experience a more simple, laid-back lifestyle in an authentic way, as this village is aptly named the most primitive Dong village in China.
我先下来吧。
那他来了，那你，这个不比你们
是这里停在这里吗？
嗯，
特意给我们搞个停车位。嗯。
也是特意，这个以前都一直都是停车，他把这个位置搞得这么乱七八糟。
This homestay is a bit more unique, as we found it also serves as a venue for disabled children from around the country to come and participate in artistic activities. The host here will then display all of their work on the walls throughout the building.
这个是270的那种吗？300来的。
这个是，晚上你就在这里看鸡棚，看热闹。
风光很好哎。
然后那边下面都是那个。
应该有你的田。
我家田不在这里。
The village itself is over 700 years old and is home to an estimated 170 families living here today. The typical way of life for these people remains the same. So this is how we have to lock the door. We have a really old school lock, okay? Gotta latch it down, take a lock and key, and boom, now our hotel room is locked. Due to the village's isolated location, the villagers must build using the resources available to them. With this comes a risk, as these wooden silt houses are densely packed and especially at risk from fires. In 2007, 21 houses were destroyed in a fire caused by a short circuit in electrical wiring. Fortunately, no one was injured. Since then, with the support of the government, they have been able to rebuild their homes.
他们在造风雨桥。
This pavilion they are building is called a Fengyu Qiao, which translates to wind and rain bridge. Originally, it was used as a shelter from the wind and rain, but over time this transformed and became a romantic place for the young. The men will play an ancient instrument called the lute, and the women will sing songs. When a connection is made, the families will arrange for a marriage ceremony, and this is the common way that Dong villagers show interest to each other and find their life partner. After spending the afternoon wandering through the rice fields and watching sunset and soaking in the views while enjoying the delicious local cuisine, it was finally time for some rest and a chance to get a bit of work done.